People believe that if they eat lactic acid bacteria, they will be healthy. So I eat expensive lactic acid products every morning. But you're missing something important. What should the lactic acid bacteria eat? The answer is Probiotics. Simply put, the neck of lactic acid bacteria is dietary fiber. The problem is the food that modern people eat every day, white rice. White flour has a sweet snack taste but little fiber. After all, the beneficial bacteria in the gut are starving. Lactic acid bacteria that have not received mosquitoes are weak and unable to act. The neighborhood environment is getting worse. What's more serious is the fact that starving female fungi are gnawing at the intestinal mucosa. You're supposed to eat fiber, but you don't have anything to eat, so you survive by breaking down the barrier. As a result, the immune system weakens, the whole body begins to break down. So, what should I do? First, you need to eat fiber-rich foods. Vegetable seaweed monster cereal. This is a gift of love for the beneficial bacteria in my body. Second, there must be biotics in the gut together. Only then. Get up properly. Only then will the intestine become healthy, and the immune system will survive. Milk bacteria are fermenting seed bacteria that think about this balance. Naturally derived microbes ferment vegetables and vegetables to help them break down fiber better. Eating only lactic acid bacteria does not make you healthy. What people really want is good, healthy food. Lactobacillus without prebiotics is like a starving child. Now switch to healthy food for gut microbes. The beginning is a spoonful of fermented meals and the milkweed plus bacteria. Happy Food Feed World, Lee Mansok.